Consider the automatic umbrella for your daily needs. Many alternatives lack the convenience of one-button auto extend. Its lightweight design makes it easy to carry all day. The premium fabric and metal frame ensure lasting durability. It fits perfectly in your bag for easy storage. Real users highlight its quality and stylish design. Customers love its portability for unexpected weather changes. One user said, "Good quality and easy to use." Another shared, "Item as described and nicely packed." To use it, just click, open, and enjoy protection. Notice the chic color options that brighten your day. Add the automatic umbrella to your cart for convenience.